The human ear is a very sensitive organ and should be taken care of. An injury to the ear can be direct or it can be caused by an injury to the head or by a loud noise. In serious condition, seek medical counsel without delay. An injury to the ear can damage the hearing nerves, resulting in total or partial hearing loss, bleeding, severe pain, suppuration of the wound. The first medicine would be for any injury Arnica 200 as a first aid on a direct hit or concussion as we call it. In cases of severe pain persisting even after Arnica has been administered, give Belladonna 200. There is redness and swelling around the injury. If the wound suppurates, foul green pus is released. There is shooting, needling pain, give Hepersulf 200. And in cases of wounds caused by pointed articles such as a hair clip or a matchstick being inserted into the ear, we require Lidum 200. If there has been an injury to the nerves, to the bones, a bruise above the ear, Ruta 200 comes in. Earwax, though looks messy, is produced by glands to moisten and clean the ears. It protects the ears from infection. It is an auto clean product, but sometimes it accumulates and clogs the ear channel. Conium 200 helps in elimination of wax in the ear. We now take up eczema behind the ears, moisture and eruption, fissures. Graphites 200 is the remedy. With catarrh of the middle ear or acrid discharge, tellurium 30 will help. In cases of ear hemorrhage where bleeding occurs, we would give Arnica 200. When the bleeding occurs as a result of concussion, if polyps are bleeding easily, Calcarea Carb 200 is of great help. If black offensive blood that does not coagulate flows out of the ear, give Crotalus H 200. Select the remedy according to symptoms. You would not be disappointed. Thank you for visiting this site.